Welcome to this tutorial. How to post on Pinterest. Pinterest is a source of inspiration for its users. If you have something interesting to share with the world, then follow the steps to post on Pinterest. You can share a pin from the home feed. Just click on the plus icon, and then click on Create a Pin. Or, click on your profile icon at the top right. Then, click on the plus icon. From the drop-down list, click on Create Pin. Here, you can drag and drop the image or click to upload from your local computer. Add a catchy title to your pin. Write an interesting description of your pin. You can also add a destination link on your pin. Click on the Save button at the top. You can select a board if you have already created it. Or, click on Create Board with plus sign icon. Write the name of your new board. As an option, you can select a date for a better plan. You can on or off button of Keep this board secret. Now, click on the Create button. Congratulations, we have successfully posted a pin. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.